The thing is, the wheels it doesn't really bang.
Wheels are
like 14 a minute.
If you take the wheels off, it's not going to be bothering your chassis.
Yeah, are we gonna
117.
I'm thinking that you still need smaller wheels. Because, yeah, do place the
Making Swiss cheese.
There's a bolt right there, so we really couldn't do that. So we put it 1 inch off, and now it actually blocks it.
So now we have the robot back in the hands of the programmers, the Lexan cover. They've tuned the wheels, tuned the drive. Is that right, Heather?
They're tuning as we speak.
Tuning as we speak.
It now drives in a straight line forward and straight side to side.
All right. And we have the build team now playing soccer in the other end of the warehouse.
Don't run over me.
Oh, yeah.
Right back the other way. We need to turn the front up a little. And it looks like when it moves to the right, the back is going faster. Yeah. So we need to turn the front up. So the front catches up. But when we're going to the left, the front goes.
No, it wasn't.
No,
It was the back.
It was the back both times? Sorry. Like I could hear you.
That's why it was going well.
So cool.
The mad programmers. So, and with all this driving, how many bolts have you lost now?
Well, I think today, actually, 0.
All right. So the drive team has made an improvement?
Yes.
All right. All right. The robot usually isn't seen this way, right, guys?
Correct.
Boy, that spins very smoothly without a motor on it, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Makes a really cool shape too.
So they're attempting to replace the motor and tough box now after rebuilding. We're having tough box love tonight, right? Tough love tonight. Is that what that is?
And your tough boxes are still very good.
So what have we learned? What have we learned this evening?
Yes.
Any of the students learn anything this evening?
We're not here for the bean box.
Hey guys, any of you learn anything today?
Oh, yeah. Read the instructions many, many times before you put them together. And then check to make sure you have the right gears. Because there's 1/6 of the difference, and that changes the
Sounds fair? Is it Heather approved? Heather and Mark approved? Okay. Woo, look at that thing go.
I thought you made the top button, John.
I don't think so.
Okay. The top buttons are individual wheels. You can just push all the buttons.
Hey, look at that. That looks pretty sweet.